the second video, I continue the same procedure, find the rank by row reduction method. Here calculation is a little bit big, so go through the calculation properly. If you are able to see the calculation only, easily do the sum. Here, see the question. Question is having what? How many rows? First row, second row, third row, 4 row. So 4 rows. How many columns? C1, C2, C3, 3 columns. Therefore, what is the order? Order is 4 by 3. The order of the matrices is what? 4 by 3. Which one is the smallest number? 3 is the smallest number. The rank of A is nothing but what? 3 or less than or equal to 3. The rank will come either 3 or less than or equal to 3. Which is the smallest one in the order? First we find the order. From this order, which one is the smallest one? Again and again tell which one is the smallest one. That one is come to the rank. That rank or that less than that rank. So here which is the smallest one? 4 rows, 3 columns. 3 is the smallest number, minimum 3. So rank of A is what? Rank of A is nothing but what? Either coming 3 or less than or equal to 3. So 3. Now let A equal to, I write the question. See, I already told you for the first one like that. This is the 1 is A11. This is minus 1 is A22. 3 is A33. This is the nothing but what? Main diagonal or leading diagonal. What is the concept for how to find the row reduction method to find? So we need what? 1 minus 1 3. 1 minus 1 3. This is the leading diagonal. Below the leading diagonal, listen carefully, below the leading diagonal, we want to, the element become 0. Then only easily able to find the rank. What is the procedure? First we write the matrices, afterwards see the main diagonal. Which is the main diagonal? See the square matrix, able to find the square matrix only, able to find the matrix. This is 3 by 3 means what? This is the main A11, first row, first column, second row, second column. So A11. This is what? A22. This is what? A33. This is the main diagonal. Below the main diagonal, we make us the remaining element become 0. If it is become 0 means easily able to find the rank. We do how to make that 0. So what I told you, first we make us the 3, 1, 1 become 0. The calculation part is here having coming for 1, so no problem. The first row, in the first row, first element become 1 means what? Do the calculation for easily. Here having what? We want to become the 3 becomes 0, 1 becomes 0, another 1 becomes 0. What we do? So now this is what, see the calculation. What I write it here? R2, how will you come R2 becomes 0? R2 gives R2 minus 3R1. How will you come R3? The first element is 0. R3 gives R3 minus R1. Because 1 minus 1 is 0. Here also we get 0 means what? This R3, R4 is subtracted R1. The first element becomes 0. We want to make 3, 1 and 1 become 0. So here we want to become 3 becomes 0 means here R1 is multiplied with 3. R2 minus 3R1. R2 minus 3R1. You subtract it. If first row is multiplied with 3 or subtract the R2, we get the 0. That only I write it here. R2 gives R2 minus 3R1. R2 gives R2 minus 3R1. I do the calculation separately here. R2 is what? What is R2? 3 minus 1, 2. R2 is 3 minus 1, 2. Next what? We want to here also coming 3 means that R1 is fully multiplied with 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are what? 6. 1 3 is 3. 1 3 is minus 3. Now you subtract it. Subtract what happened? 3 minus 3 become 0. If you subtract means change the sign of the symbol. So plus 3 become minus 3. Plus 6 become minus 6. Minus 3 become plus what? Minus 3 become plus 3. So 3 minus 3 is what? 0. Minus 1 minus 6 is what? Minus 7. Plus 3 plus 2 is what? Plus 5. Write the step. 0 minus 5. Sorry, 0 minus 7 5 in the second row. 0 minus 7 5 in the second row. Next we want to become this element is 0. Third row, the first element becomes 0. We want to, what you do? The 1 is subtracted 1. So R3 minus R1. See, 1 minus 1 becomes 0. This is R3, this is R1. Directly we subtract, easily we get this. We don't want to multiply any number. Here having 3 means multiply with 3, afterwards you subtract. Here what? First element, here also 1. The R3 first element is 1. R1 first element is 1. You subtract 1 minus 1, 0. So now R3 gives R3 minus R1. What is our R3? 1 minus 2, 3. 1 minus 2, 3. R3 is 1 minus 2, 3. Next, here what is our R1? Write it the same step. R1 is what? 1, 2 minus 1. So 1, 2 minus, when you subtract it, plus 1 become minus 1, plus 2 become minus 2, minus 1 become what? Plus 1. Now you subtract it, 1 minus 1 becomes 0, minus 2 minus 2 is what? Minus 4, 3 minus 1 become plus 1, the 3 plus 1 become 4. So we write the next step for the, instead of R3, what I write it here? 0. This step 0 minus 4 plus 4. 0 minus 4 plus 4. We want to what? This one. Fourth row, the first element we want to become 0. So directly this is the R4, the first element is 1. R1, the first element also 1. So 1 minus 1 easily we subtract, we become 0. So first you write, see that one, what is R4? I write it here. R4 gives R4 minus R1. What is your R4? R4 is what? 1 minus 1, 1. R4 is what? 1 minus 1, 1. Next, what is our R1? R1 is what? 1, 2 minus 1. R4 minus R1. If you want to R4, that element becomes 0 means R4 minus R1. See, the R4 gives R4 minus R1. I do the calculation in the separate place. You also do it here. Just you put a line and do the calculation here. So R4 is R4 minus R1. If you do the subtraction means change the sign of the symbol. Plus 1 become minus 1. Plus 2 become minus 2. Minus 1 become plus 1. So 1 minus 1 is what? 0. Minus 1 minus 2 is what? Minus 3. 1 plus 1 is nothing but what? 2. What is the next sum? R4. R4 is what? Nothing but 0 minus 3, 2. 0 minus 3, 2. What I told you, below the main diagonal, you want to become all the element 0. Below the main diagonal, you want to make 3, 1, 1, minus 2, minus 1 become 0. Now you subtract this 3 only. 3, 0 only we find out. Now we want to calculate last row. Last row before fourth row and third row become, we want to become 0. What do you do? What I interchange? Why I interchange? Now don't want to what? Don't want to disturb the R1. See, because if you subtract add, we get the again answer coming for the R2, R3 in the first step. Now we left the first one. We write it there. We don't disturb the R1. Write it. What is the R1? 1, 2 minus. Write it as it is here. After just interchange. Before interchange, one more step is also having. Here this step is what? Here third row become what? Minus 4 plus 4. So divide by 4. So therefore I write the step here. The R3 is divide by 4. We get what? This is the R3. R3 is divided by 4. We want to become 1. If it is 1 means it is easy for the calculation. So this is the third step, R3. R3 is divided by 4. So R3 gives R3 divided by 4. If R3 is divided by 4 means what? We write first row as it is 1, 2 minus, write it here. 0 minus 5, 0 minus 7, 5 also write it here. Now R3 is divided by 4. Divide by 4 means become what? 0 minus 1 plus 1. See the R4 is what is here as it is written 0 minus 3 2. Next, see the next one. We are going to interchange. R2 goes to R3. This is nothing but what? Interchange. R2 place go to R3. This is R2. This is R3. Just to interchange. R2 goes to R3. Just we interchange. Interchange the place. Now listen here. So what happened? R2 interchange R3. So second row goes to, second row comes to the third row. Third row goes to the second row. This is nothing but what? Interchange. So listen, see the step. This is nothing but what? Equivalent to, right? Always equivalent to. So next word, first step we completed here. This step is divide by 4. You come to the step and next, this is the very big sum. Listen carefully. Next what happened? So divide by minus 4 we get minus 1. Next interchange. Interchange means what? 0 minus 1 1. The R3 goes to which place? R2. R2 goes through where place? R3 place. Just interchange. Now because here having minus 1 means easily do the calculation. Because of that one convenient, just we interchange that one. Now we want to become what? This row minus 3 minus 7 we want to become 0. Main diagonal, below the main diagonal we want to become 0. So we want to minus 1 become 0, minus 3 becomes 0. So first to minus 1, we want to minus 1 become 0 means what? Here having minus 7, already having what? Minus 1. So multiply with this 7. If you subtract, we get minus 7 plus 7 becomes 0. That step I write it here. R3 gives. What is I write it here? R3 gives R3 minus 7 R2. R3 gives, how will it come 0, 0 here? So how will it come 7 becomes 0 means R3 gives R3 minus 7 R2. What is our R3? 0 minus 7 5. 0 minus 7 5. Next is 7 R2. R2 is multiplied with 7 because if it is become 1 means very easy calculation. Then only just we interchange the place. So R2 is multiplied with 7. 0 7 is 0. Minus 1 into 7 is minus 7. 1 7 is what? 7. Just you subtract it 0. Minus 7 become plus 7. Plus 7 become minus 7. What happened? 0 minus 1 plus 1 0 minus 7 plus 5 is nothing but what? Minus 2. So what is that? R3 row. R3 row become what? 0 0 minus 2. This third row become 0 0 minus 5. Our aim is minus 1 becomes 0. So multiplied with what? R2 is multiplied with what? 7. Then you subtract R3 minus 7 R2. This is a very very important step. R3 minus 7 R2. Next come to the last step. Here also we want to need minus 3 also 0. So minus 3 also 0. Minus 3 come in the which place? R4. They come in the fourth row. So R4 gives R4 minus what? 3 R2. R4 minus 3 R2. What is our R4? R4 is what? 0 minus 3 plus 2. 0 minus 3 plus 2. What is our here we need what? The minus 3 becomes 0. So minus 1 is multiplied with 3. After subtract minus 3 plus 3 becomes 0. So R4 minus 3 R2. R4 gives R4 minus 3 R2. So R2 is multiplied with 3. R2 is multiplied with 3. 0 minus 3 plus 3. 0 minus 3 plus 3. Now you subtract, we get what? 0 0 minus 1. This is the calculation. Very important calculation. See the main diagonal. A11, A22, A33. We want to remaining one more step, we want to become 0. Here which is 1 is what? Minus 1. For the next step we want to remove the minus 1. Instead of minus 1, we want to become, doing the calculation, it also become 0. Next, come to the next step. That determinant is equivalent to, we write the first row without disturbing whatever that last method is given, we write it the first row, second row, third row. We want the last row only become 0 because below the main diagonal we want to 0. Here coming what? That below the main diagonal the answer is what? Minus 1. We want to minus 1 becomes 0 below the main diagonal. One more, only one element is minus 1 having. We want the minus 1 becomes 0. So the row R1, R2, R3, we write it as itself. What is R1, R2, R3? Write it, follow the last step. What is given, you follow it. Next, what you write it? You write it the same thing. Come to R4. This step R4. How to find R4? R4 equal to 2R4 minus R3 because you are having minus 1 having for this one. Already show that one. So 2R4. 2R4 gives, how will it come 0 for this element means 2R4. The R4 is multiplied with 2. Again subtract R3. So 2R4 minus R3. So R4 fully multiplied with 2. 1 become minus 0, 0 minus 1 become minus 2. We write the R3. 0, 0 minus 2. You subtract, we get what? 0, 0, 0 minus 2 become plus 2. It's very important. Now the last row become 0. See the main diagonal 1, 1, minus 1, minus 2. See the main diagonal A11, A22, A33. Below the main diagonal, all the elements are 0. We come to the echelon form. This is nothing but what form? Echelon form. Echelon form is nothing but what? That below the main diagonal. This is called the echelon form. ECHELON. Echelon form. Form. So below the main diagonal, all the elements now come to a 0. Therefore, how many non-zero rows? This is what? This is only 1 0. This is the 0 row. All the elements are 0. This is called 0 rows. Here are one non-zero row. Here also another non-zero rows. Another non-zero row. Totally 1, 2, 3. 3 non-zero rows. This is only 0 rows. All the elements are 0 means that is called the 0 rows. How many non-zero rows? 3 non-zero rows. Therefore, rank is nothing but what? Rank of A is 3. Children, for the second part, I do the calculation. Go through the step. The time is over. Go through the step. See, I write it here. Go through the step. Final rank is get what? Rank of A is 3. So this is what? How many rows? 3 rows, 4 columns. So the rank is nothing but we got what? Rank of A is 3 or less than or equal to 3. I continue. I write the steps here. You follow it and do it yourself. Thank you, children.